And once again, I'm Diane Sawyer here at ABC News headquarters in New York. We're coming back on the air with the breaking news. New reports about the casualties in that shooting at the Sandy Hook Elementary School in Newtown, Connecticut. And I want to go straight to ABC's Pierre Thomas because he's learned more about how many may have been injured and may not have made it. Pierre.
Diane, we're being told by multiple state and federal sources that unfortunately more than a dozen people have been shot and killed at that school, and that number includes children.
It does include children, and again, we have heard reports of casualties of some of the adults in the front office. But Pierre, how strong is this news? How much can we say to people that we know that it has reached this shattering level?
Well, the situation is very fluid, but we have been very careful to try to talk to as many different sources as we can from multiple agencies, and again from state, federal sources. We are being told that more than a dozen shot and killed at the school. Obviously, the parents and the school community will be notified as additional information comes in. But my sources are just devastated. They're calling it a tragedy of epic proportions.
All right, Pierre, thank you. And of course, we know there are also people in the hospital that right now they have been taken into emergency rooms where doctors are working to make sure that no more lives are lost, but some of them are seriously injured. The gunman confirmed dead, as we said earlier, and we will keep you posted throughout the day on this crushing event at the elementary school in Connecticut. And one of the parents recently told me that as the children were walked out of the school by their teachers, some of them were told to cover their eyes as they walked and just hold on to each other. We will have full reports throughout the day. We are always there, of course, at abcnews.com, and I will see you again on World News tonight.
This has been a special report from ABC News.